at the second day of India Ice Cream Expo 2025, and currently we are at the Big Drum stall. We are having with us Srikant Sunkara, the director of Big Drum. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, good, good. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Thanks, Mr. Pawan.
So, sir, how is Big Drum getting traction here at the second day?
The footfall has been good, and we are seeing uh, it's a good meeting point for all the existing customers as well as maybe newer potential customers. We are trying to do the best and trying to meet more people, and at least like this, I'm getting to meet Mr. Pawan, whom we've been speaking on phone but couldn't meet. Thanks to IICE for providing this opportunity.
So, what type of products you are just exploring right now? What type of product you are supplying to the ice cream industry overall?
See, we are an ice cream cone baker. We make cones in multiple sizes,
Yeah,
and we supply to various brands across India. And we have three plants in India,
yeah.
that is Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad. And we do supply cone with sleeve as well as only cone too for brands which want to buy only the cone. Or so these ice cone and sleeve are something ready for the machine ready, so that the ice cream brand can just fill in the filling line and fill the ice cream.
What are new innovations in the cone industry right now? Ice cream cones have been evolving like the ice creams
Yes, yeah.
evolving. What are
So
new products which you have?
the new I can say is the two flavored cone, the dark cones, the chocolate cones, and there are many multiple flavors cones that we have developed. But the due to the pricing pressure for the brands, because we are only developing purely for the business or the brands. If the brand is willing to pay for that higher priced product, it can take off. But we have the products ready. Maybe if any brand is interested or any newer brand wants to speak about newer flavors, we have many flavors ready with us. We can show or discuss on that.
So, as sir was telling, the industry is growing with a great CAGR right now, and you have also evolved a lot from the beginning to the 2025. So, are you looking at the India's ice cream sector right now?
It's been on a growth trajectory, and we see and we feel there is a good potential, and we think the even if I look at the per capita consumption of ice cream, it is very low now in India as compared to the rest of the world. We feel it will be. I think the number is only going to double in the next 5 years.
Yeah. So, Big Drum has a great opportunity. So,
Yeah.
how are you feeling that government initiatives are helping the food processing industry overall?
See, if you are hinting at GST change, I think it's little too early to comment, because hopefully once we have the first round of filing,
Yeah,
and once even our vendor or supply chain have more clarity,
yeah.
I think by the end of this year, that is December, we'll have more clarity, and I'm sure even the end consumer will be benefited.
Yeah.
That
So,
which is the initial drive for the government.
so we are more focused on the PLIS scheme for food processing scheme, production linked incentive scheme which the government is providing. So
Okay.
how is food processing industry is getting traction due to those initiatives of the government?
I am not the right person to comment on it, because we have not somebody who have looked at any, or we have not availed so far. Maybe after this meet we will try and look at it.
Okay. So I think Big Drum is getting good traction in the industry, and as we discussed, it's going with a great CAGR right now. So I hopefully you will be doing very well in the future, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.